So let's have a look at the water form, and really just to introduce the idea of water. It's one of those ideas that you will come across a lot in Kung Fu. You'll almost certainly remember Bruce Lee saying something like, be like water. Now, what is water like? Water can be very soft, it can be very hard. Fairly obviously, water can yield, so something that's coming straight towards me, I can just yield and let it pass. I don't have to block it with any force. So water can be very soft and yielding and let things through, so you're not trying to hit head on with anything. But equally, if you ever get caught in a whirlpool or I don't know, maybe at the bottom of a waterfall, you'll realise that water can actually be very hard. So things like a hook punch is typically a water sort of move. So if I yield out the way and then throw a hook, because I'm swirling and still moving around in a circular way, exactly the way water does, if you like, I can generate a lot of force by doing so. So water, it's got that lovely combination of yielding to let things through, but at the same time moving in big circles and coming around your opponent. And hopefully you'll be able to see that. But if you hold that idea in your head and always think in terms of what water is doing, it'll make the whole form easier to learn.